Hi and welcome to a new series on my channel. I am pretty excited because in this series we're gonna build an onboarding for a cryptocurrency app. So let's see a small demo. You can swipe to go through the onboarding steps. If you reach the last page, if you swipe left, you will be brought to the first page, and if you swipe right from the first page, you will be brought to the last page. And you can also navigate by clicking on the indicators. And as you can see, we also have a button that if you are not on the last page, the label will be next, and if you are on the last page, it will be got it. So if you press the got it button, you will be redirected to a login view. So the login view is pretty simple, so just says welcome to login view, because it was not the purpose of this series to create a login view. And let's see some concepts that we're gonna learn in this series. So we're gonna learn to implement a UI page view controller in swiftui using UI view controller representable. We'll also implement a page control using UI view representable, and we're gonna learn how to create generic initializer for swiftui views, how to define and pass bindings to other views, and we're gonna use tags and other concepts that we learn in my Learn swiftui series to create beautiful layouts. And I really hope you won't just know the path, you're gonna walk the path with me and code alongside. And if you will learn new ways to do stuff, please let me know in the comments, because we all learn swiftui. Swiftui is pretty new. At the moment there is not a single way to do it or a better way to do it. Let's learn together and let's get started. See you in the next video.